Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of exploratory data analysis, or EDA. First up, let's talk about the crucial step of data collection. It's all about gathering relevant datasets from various sources so it's comprehensive and correct. Once we've got our data, it's time for data cleaning. We identify and handle missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies to ensure data quality. Now, onto descriptive statistics. We calculate and visualize basic statistical measures like mean, median, and standard deviation to understand the central tendency and variability of the data. In univariate analysis, we dive into individual variables to uncover patterns, distributions, and outliers using histograms, box plots, and bar plots. Next, bivariate analysis. Here, we explore relationships between pairs of variables using scatter plots, correlation matrices, and heat maps to identify potential associations. In multivariate analysis, we take it a step further by investigating relationships between multiple variables simultaneously. Techniques like clustering and dimensionality reduction help us reveal complex patterns and structures. Finally, visualization. We create informative plots and charts to visually represent our findings, making it easier to interpret and communicate insights to stakeholders. And there you have it. Exploratory data analysis in a nutshell. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, retail, or any other industry, EDA is a powerful tool for gaining insights and making informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.